don't think you can see him. What are you gonna do to Haley? What are you gonna do? Take the cup out of your mouth.
Yeah. Okay. It's time to beat up.
Tell her, don't make me get out of the seatbelt. Be like, don't make me get out of the seatbelt.
Don't make me. If you laugh one more time, I'll get out and beat you and hit you and do everything. See, that's what I'm talking about.
Josh Mullane, you want me to hurt you? Oh. Tell her, what do you do to stupid people called Haley?
Beat her.
You gonna beat her up? Don't let her mess with you like that. You tell her what's what. Oh, he took the jacket off. Oh man, everything's coming off. What now, Joshua? What now? Oh God.
Oh,
what now?
I'm gonna beat you.
Baby. You should be like, I got some brass knuckles on. Be like, I got some brass knuckles on.
No. So you get a beat up and let you get out of your life from a dinosaur!
What?
A dinosaur.
What's the dinosaur gonna do, huh?
Eat you in the head and then you'll be dead.
Eat my head and then I'll be dead? That rhymed. Good job. Oh, what now? Got the next Tupac in the backseat. Next Eminem. Oh, what now?
Oh, man.
Oh, dang. Oh, man.
Just do this.
Oh! Be like, what now? No, 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 no.
She's dumb.
I'm dumb?
No.
No. Am I cool?
Yes.
I'm pretty cool.
Hey!
I'm cool, Haley, and you're dumb. Josh! Did he just throw that back? Yeah. Oh. That kid.
Get my stupid ass!
Hey, Josh! He's going cage fighting on you. Ow! Oh!
That's what I said! Scratch it! I'm getting out of the stupid vehicle! Open the door! Open it!
Oh man, the bus is here. Oh man!
That's all good!
Don't fall out! Oh my god! He's like kicking the door like it's gonna do something. Oh my god. Oh. I wish I had some popcorn. You gotta get his stuff up out here. Dang. He's beating on the... Ow, they smacked me in the face. Bye.
Hey! Where you from? Stop it! Give me
say bye to me? It's on the cool one, remember?
Give me my paper.
Where'd you put it? Are you gonna say bye to me because on the cool one?
I have the paper.
On the cool one.
Move your hands, Josh. No. Bye.
On the cool